Don't go back inside.
Please talk to him because
absolutely.
he can't be hitting women and instigating.
You out.
Because of the
I'm kicking you out to protect you, honestly. Because if you stay here, you're gonna probably end up going to jail. You didn't. You came back. You kept coming back.
I'm sorry.
On April 16th, 2023, 2 women outside a nightclub received the clearest advance warning in this series and were arrested when they returned anyway.
Guys, be careful, all right?
You be careful.
I will, thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Don't go back inside.
Please talk to him because
absolutely.
he can't be hitting women and instigating.
You've been very respectful, and I appreciate that. Please take care of your friend.
He can't be hitting women. Like,
I
get he's gay, but he instigated that shit. And like,
I don't care if he's gay or not.
Listen, I know, but it's not about gay. He was drunk.
All right, wait, don't get that close, though.
Listen to me.
I'm listening.
What you did, let me talk. What you did
See,
is
now you're
unfair
reasonable. Now you're nice.
because
Talking
he
quietly.
put his hands on me.
Okay.
I didn't even touch him. You kicking
Well, we're
me
gonna
out.
kick him out too.
You kicking me out because of a guy?
Because you're screaming and you don't listen. You gotta
Listen to me. Listen. What's your name? Listen to me.
Sergeant Katita.
Okay, I respect you.
Thank you.
Listen to me.
I'm listening.
You kicking me out?
Yes.
Because of a guy that put his hands on me?
Kicking you out.
Do you want me?
Battery
right there. You need to arrest that person because he fucking hit her.
Right.
That's. Can you? No.
Okay. So a minute ago you were very quiet.
Shut up.
Respectful.
Right now you trying to play Do you want me to hit you the way he hit me?
No. That would be very bad.
All right.
That would be a very bad decision on your part. Very bad.
So you kicking me out because of a guy?
Kicking you out.
Because of a guy?
I'm kicking you out to protect you, honestly. Because if you stay here, you're gonna probably end up going to jail.
I want to be his ass.
I get that.
I got disrespected.
Okay.
And I don't do fights. I don't fight.
So just leave. Thank you. Yes. Just leave.
Nothing, bro.
Get down.
Stop. Stop. I didn't do nothing.
Because you're not listening.
Okay, I'm listening. Please let me go.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back. I gave you so many chances. Just don't want to listen.
Stop. Can you please stop?
Give me your hand.
Can you please stop?
Get down. Stop it.
Why she's going?
Stop it. Stop
Can you
it.
please?
Put your arm
I
behind
didn't
your
do
back.
nothing. Stop.
I'm telling you right now, just put your hand behind your back.
Stop. I didn't do nothing.
Resist.
Can you please stop? Can you please stop?
You want to get tasered?
You're arresting me out of my permit.
Would you like to get
I didn't do
tasered?
nothing wrong.
Would you like to get tasered?
Can you please stop?
You just hold it around.
Bro, can you help me? Bro, she didn't do anything, bro. Bro, she didn't do anything.
Stop.
Please stop.
Stop it.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
You're going to end up hurting your arm.
Bro, I didn't do nothing wrong.
I got one.
Bro, can you please?
Ready to my court surgery. Temple reference receiver.
Can you please be on me? Can you
That's
please?
good.
Yo, can you help me? I didn't do nothing wrong. He's arresting me for nothing, bro. I didn't do anything. They're arresting me. Can I please get my
She's
shoes?
going.
I need my shoes. Nothing, bro. I need my shoes.
Stop it.
She did nothing, bro. I need
Stand
my
up.
shoes. She did nothing, bro.
Okay.
She did nothing. Can you please stop? Hey.
Stop.
Hey. Can you please? Hey. She did
Relax.
nothing, bro. She did nothing. We girls. Bro,
care.
please. Yo, please. Bro.
Get away. Get away.
Bro, look at me.
Get away from me.
What did she do?
You got her first.
What did she do?
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Wait, I need
Turn around.
my bag, please. I need my people. What did I do?
I'm in the front.
What did I do? What did I do?
Stop.
No, I have my everything on there. Please stop. Yo, can you please come here?
Stop.
Okay, don't go hard on me.
I won't. Just hang out.
Can I make a phone call? I need my phone. Can I make a phone call?
Front parking lot, just to the.
All right, I'm here. You
Stop.
don't have to go hard on me. My nails hurt,
All right. Stop.
bro.
Come on.
Stop, please get my bag and my phone so I can
Just
call
throw
people
cuffs
back
on her.
to me, bitch. But you know I have to call
Oh,
people,
don't forget
bro.
soda.
How am I gonna get bailed out? What the fuck? What did we do? I didn't do anything. What the fuck? What did we do?
I gave you guys every chance to leave.
Can you please put the stuff in the car at least?
Can I get my bag?
I need my phone and my ID. My phone and ID is right there.
Don't worry, we'll get your bag.
My bag is street.
They're not.
My bag is street. I didn't do anything. Why am I getting arrested?
These are your cuffs.
Yeah.
Can you grab her bag, please?
Wait, what? What did I do?
Well, I
I
don't
gave you
know,
guys
bitch.
so many
What?
chances.
We left.
What did I do?
We literally left.
No, you didn't. You
Yeah,
came
we did.
back. You kept coming back.
I'm sorry, the car's parked right here.
Oh, well. Oh, you were going to drive?
She's driving.
You're going to drive? So you're
I'm
going to
gonna
get a
drive.
DUI?
She's not gonna get it.
I'm not drunk.
And that's really bad. You're not drunk. If you were drunk, at least we got an excuse.
Stop moving.
These yours?
Yeah. Can I please put them in my car?
Stand still.
I'm sorry. I'm playing shooting. You arrested us for nothing. Thank you. Yeah, you told us to leave the last. We have to come back because we're talking to somebody and you're gonna arrest us for what reason?
Go on video, don't worry.
Oh, it's okay. Because I'm sure you clicked on when you were arrested.
There you go.
Hey, yo! Can you bail us out? Yeah.
Radio passing on 1 Charlie 10-4. Copy, 250.
All right, Jessica. He's got something to tell you, okay?
Jessica, this time you're being trespassed for property. You're not allowed back, okay?
All right. If you come back, you're going to be arrested.
Yeah, I know.
All right.
That's your vehicle?
This will be
Okay. It's gonna be left here. We're not
No,
gonna
it's
tow it
just,
or
I don't
anything.
understand why I'm getting arrested because they wouldn't have
Disorderly conduct.
I know, but we
We're not arguing about it. Okay, yeah, I'm going to move her over. Hop out.
It hurts.
All right, just listen to him. Those cuffs are super loose on you. Don't worry about him. Don't worry about him. Nothing you can do about that.
I hate people, bro.
I know. Don't worry about him.
I shouldn't do anything. I got beat up.
Farrah, just relax. Relax. no. You were doing just fine in there. Don't freak out now. Listen to what he's doing. Don't worry about him.
It hurts.
Just give him 1 second.
Let me.
Don't.
Let me. Okay. But let me. Okay.
It's not hurting you. The more cooperative you are now, and when you get booked in, the faster you'll get out. So don't freak out when you get to the
Bro,
jail.
I'm more peaceful than you think.
Fair. Don't be calling him bro either. I'm just trying to help you out. Just be as respectful as possible. I'll bring your friend next. All right.
Don't want to do that.
Alright, ready? Out here? How long will we be here for? I don't know, probably 30 minutes, 20 minutes.
You see the white African female with the blue, yellow sailor suit that's come on through right after?
I wouldn't pay attention.
Okay.
You're getting arrested around me. Like, where are you?
Just bend your arms to the elbows. Keep them right there.
I'm never doing it. You're bad. Bitch, you're bad.
You're bad, bitch. Where is your bag? We need your bag.
Right here. Chill out, bro. Stop moving.
Just make sure when you go through booking, if she doesn't make it cooperatively, that you do, so you guys can get phone numbers.
Oh no, I'm trying to have her fucking bailed out because she's crazy. She gotta behave. She has to behave in jail. Hey, I got pissed off with you. I'm not trying to fucking stay there for too long. Stop. Be glad that I'm arrested.
Hey, is Sarge still back there? No? Okay. I don't know how long that details till. Might be. I don't know either. I'll figure it out. These cuffs are nice. So loose. So light. Yeah, they're super light. All right, good luck, ladies. Appreciate it.
Law enforcement may exclude persons from private property on behalf of the owner or when continued presence creates a disturbance risk. That authority is the legal foundation of the dispersal order. SRT 46. I'm kicking you out to protect you, because if you stay here, you're going to end up in jail. A lawful dispersal order and an accurate consequence preview in the same sentence. SRT 153. You kept coming back. Subject. I'm sorry. This is the probable cause confirmation. The return to property after a lawful dispersal order is the charge basis, not the original incident inside the venue. Disorderly conduct requires conduct that disturbs the public or refuses a lawful dispersal order. Both are documented. Multiple warnings given. Venue disturbance, return to property. Confirmed at SRT 192. Criminal trespass. Entry after an authorized exclusion order. The subjects received the order, left and returned. At SRT 182, Jessica is placed on the property exclusion list, a charge independent from the disorderly conduct count. The property exclusion at SRT 186 is forward-looking. Any future entry onto this property, regardless of purpose or case outcome, constitutes a new and independent criminal trespass offense. SRT 72, taser warning issued, not deployed. Under Graham v. Connor, only deployment triggers a force analysis. The warning was the compliance tool. Both subjects were handcuffed without the device. SRT 213, the more cooperative at booking, the faster you get out. Accurate. Cooperative processing avoids additional obstruction charges and does not complicate bail determination. The moral complexity. The officer acknowledged at SRT 6 that a man struck one of the women. His fate does not appear in this footage. The arrest was legally sound. Who ended up in handcuffs requires acknowledgement. Sergeant Katita receives an A-. The advance warning at SRT 46 is the best legal consequence preview in this series. Documented chances, accurate booking advice. Deducted for the taser warning, disproportionate for this offense level. Jessica and Sarah receive a D+. They received an explicit warning, left and came back. The D+. They were alleged assault victims when this began and cooperative by the end. 3 takeaways. First, when law enforcement orders you off private property, the return creates the criminal exposure, not the original incident. The two are legally separate. Second, a property exclusion is forward-looking. Any future entry onto that property, regardless of purpose, constitutes a new criminal trespass offense. The underlying case does not affect the exclusion. Third, cooperative booking is a practical legal strategy. It avoids additional charges, does not complicate bail, and creates no legal disadvantage. Faster out is a documented operational reality. Let us know which interactions you want analyzed in the comments. Thank you for watching. Street Bodycam has more.